Kia ora. We are Glenn and Monique's story. We're part of the University of Waikato's teacher-led research initiative on math and apps. Monique is an incredibly talented artist, and my background is in computer science. Most importantly though, we love teaching maths, and we really want to set our students up for success. Have you ever noticed that when students have a chance to explain their thinking, they self-correct, retain their learning, and are more likely to be confident? Take this student for example.
Question today is 4 times 7.5. This is how I worked it out. First I went 4 times 7. That equals 28. Next I went 4 times 0.5. To work this out I just went 2 times 0.5, which would equal 1. Since I had to times it by 4, I went 2 times 0.5 again. And of course that equals 1. So now we have 2. 28 plus 2 equals 30. The answer today is 30.00.
Research also shows that while kids might be confident at equations, they're not so strong at word problems.
There are 189 sheep in the paddock. 67 of them have been streamed. I don't know. How many left are there left to stream?
And add to that students can't all line up to tell you how they solved the problem they're working on, and some students will be too shy to do that in front of their teacher or in front of their peers. Enter the affordances of the iPad. First of all, students can record in privacy, which is especially powerful for shy or unconfident students. Then there's the magical undo button. When a child makes a mistake, instead of having to rub out their work and start again, they can just hit undo, fix their problem, and carry on. Students can try again and again so that they can solve the problem in different ways and find the best way to a solution. The camera and the microphone are very powerful, and the iPad's touch interface removes abstraction and confusion. We wanted to take the affordances of iPad so that we could set our students up for success, and with a lot of work. We bundled it together into an app called MathShake. So Kim's got himself into a bit of trouble here and we want to help him out. When a kid reads this problem, they need to learn how to change this word problem into a number sentence. Tap on 66 up here, move it down to the start of my equation, and I can grab hold of the 36 and pop it into this yellow box here. We know that the keyword spend here makes it a subtraction problem. And what a child can do is tap on any of the keywords in the problem, like spend, and choose the appropriate operator, which in this case is subtraction. Kids will often find addition problems easier than subtraction problems. We can start with the number 36, and instead of taking away, we can add on. 36 plus something equals 66. Of course, now that we've worked out what the question is, we still have to solve it. And one of the things I love about MathShake is how we've got a whole bunch of learning objects. Number tools such as the number line, where they can jump to the nearest tidy number. Counters so kids can image. Tens frames. And even pie charts so kids can equally share into groups.